We are pleased to show you the 2025 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, HD radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.